In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple projects in CapCut PC quickly and safely so you can clean up your workspace and get rid of drafts you no longer need. If your CapCut home screen is cluttered with old projects, duplicate edits, or unfinished drafts, this simple method will save you time and make it much easier to stay organized. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC or Mac and launch the desktop application. Once it opens, make sure you're on the home screen or the drafts section, because this is where CapCut shows all of your recent projects and saved edits. If you don't see your projects right away, give it a second to load, especially if you have a lot of drafts saved. Now, depending on how your projects are displayed, you may see them in a grid layout or a list layout. If CapCut is showing your projects in grid view, I highly recommend switching to list view to make selecting multiple projects much easier. To do that, look toward the top right area of your project section and find the list view icon. Click it, and CapCut will reorganize your projects into a cleaner list format. This gives you a much better view and makes it easier to select the exact projects you want to remove. Once you're in list view, go through your drafts and highlight the projects you want to delete. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, you may be able to select more than one project at a time by clicking each one, using checkboxes, or holding down the selection key while choosing them. Take your time here and make sure you only select the projects you actually want to delete, because once they're removed, you'll need to restore them from the trash if you change your mind. After your projects are highlighted, look for the delete button. This is usually shown as a trash can icon, and you may find it at the bottom of the project list or in a small pop-up menu, depending on your interface version. Click that delete button to begin the removal process. CapCut will usually ask you to confirm your choice before it sends the projects to the trash bin. When that confirmation window appears, click Confirm or Delete to finish the process. At this point, the selected projects will be moved out of your main draft list, which helps keep your CapCut workspace much cleaner and easier to manage. If you ever need to recover them later, you may be able to check the trash or deleted items area, depending on how CapCut is set up on your device. So that's it. You've now learned how to delete multiple projects in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. Open CapCut, go to Home or Drafters, switch to List View if needed, select the projects you want to remove, click Delete, and confirm the action. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.